In this video, we are going to show you how to upgrade your Zendesk subscription. Now, if you are like me on a trial account or trial period, you want to log in to your dashboard. And once you're here, look towards your upper right corner of your screen. You're going to have the amount of days you have left on your trial. And then you can actually buy your trial or compare plans. If you want to see the different plans or subscription options available, click on compare plans like so. This pop-up will appear. So support team is 19 per agent per month. Suite team is $55 per agent per month. Suite growth is $89 per agent per month. And these are all pretty much the features that are involved. And if you want to see all the plans available, click on see all plans. And it's going to bring us to the page over here. Let's wait for it to load. There we go. So multi-channel support or email for support are both different, as you can see. There you go. And this is the annual plan prices. So as you can see here, you can save 23%. If you want to try out maybe a couple months first before you commit to annual, click on monthly. And it's, of course, it's going to be much more expensive. And as you can see, this is pretty much what you have for each plan. There you go. So all you need to do is click on buy now, for example, and then just go through the prototypical payment option or checkout process, and you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.